In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to browse in Depop 2026. If you're new to Depop, it's a marketplace for discovering pre-loved and unique fashion, and today we'll keep things simple, how to look around and explore what's available. First, open your web browser and go to depop.com. When the homepage loads, you'll land on a visual feed of items. Think of it like a storefront window that updates as you go. Each tile usually shows a photo and a price, so you can quickly gauge whether something catches your eye. From here, the easiest way to start browsing is to scroll. Take your time and move down the page to let more listings load. This is perfect if you just want inspiration and don't have anything specific in mind. If you prefer a more focused view, use the top menu. Along the top, you'll see options like women, men, kids, brands, sports, trending, or sale. Choose the area that best matches what you want to explore, then click it. This switches your feed to items that fit that section, trimming away a lot of noise. Once you're inside a section, you'll see categories that help narrow things further. Pick the category that aligns with what you're after, maybe a type of clothing or accessory, and select it. You don't need to overthink it. You can always change categories if you want to widen or shift your view. After you've selected a category, keep browsing by scrolling through the results. You'll notice items refresh as you move, so pause whenever something stands out. Pay attention to thumbnail photos and titles. They're quick hints about style, size, and condition. When you find an item you like, click it to open the details page. This is where you can look closely at photos, read the description, and confirm key information like sizing, fabric, and overall condition. If there are multiple images, swipe or click through them to get a better sense of fit and any unique features. The price and shipping information are usually shown nearby, and the description often adds helpful context about measurements or wear. Take a moment to read everything so you know exactly what you're looking at. That's the core of browsing on Depop. Open the site, explore the homepage feed by scrolling, or refine your view with the top menu. Choose a section, select a category, keep scrolling through results, and open any item to view its details. Enjoy discovering great pieces while keeping your search simple and intentional.